Hello friends, and I thought today we'd just have some fun with some loose water media flowers, just something a little bit abstract. So what I have actually used is my golden High Flow Acrylics. The colors are quin red, phthalo green, cerulean blue, and green gold, and some quinacridone gold. And the first thing I do is wet my paper where I want my color to run. So these shapes are completely random, just putting them down loosely in this accordion book that I made, or a concertina book. It is Archer's 300 gram, but it can be a lighter. 300 gram is fairly thick. It can be 200 gram, 250 gram. And it's just very, very loose. It's the whole thing about this little painting is just to have some fun and let your creativity flow. So we never know what's going to happen, how it's going to turn out, and we'll just go from there. So enjoy a bit of music in between while I carry on with this painting. And at the end, I'm going to come in with some calligraphy pens as well as my white Posca pen, and let's just see where this goes. Enjoy. The nice thing about the golden flow acrylics is that they react very much the same as watercolor. It's slightly thicker consistency, almost like a thick cream, so you do have to thin it down a bit, but it spreads beautifully over the paper. And of course you can combine it with watercolor. You can bring watercolor in here with absolutely no problem. And in fact, I am mixing the two different medias in here. As long as it's water-based, it should be 100% fine. And here I'm starting with my brush just to define flowers. To me they look a bit like hibiscus type of flowers, and I'm going to be drawing a little bit with my brush and just see where this leads me. And I am now coming in with my calligraphy pen. I have different sizes, and this is the number 3. And what's lovely about this pen, it is flat on one side and pointy on the other side, so you can get the variety in the marks, and it is waterproof. So should I have to put a wash, or should I want to put a wash over the top, it won't smudge at all. I am using a bit of a jelly roll, but found that it was a little bit too thin, and I'm coming in with my Posca pen, which is a lot thicker. A Posca pen is an acrylic paint pen, and it covers anything you want it to cover, and just to try and bring the whole painting together. And if you've enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel, press the like button, and I will see you in another week from now. Thanks for joining.